In the fading light of the day, a small village nestled in the rolling hills of Pakistan stirs with anticipation as two siblings and their wise grandfather prepare for a village tour. Under a canopy of twinkling stars, the siblings hang on to every word as their grandfather regales them with stories of the village's history and legends. A figure emerges from the darkness, a mysterious old woman shrouded in secrecy, warning the siblings of a hidden treasure that could change their village forever. An air of unease settles over the village as the arrival of outsiders seeking the treasure threatens to disrupt the fragile peace that once reigned among the villagers. The trio, heads bent in unity, decipher the enigmatic clues in a race against time to find the elusive treasure and restore harmony to the village. A moment of awe washes over the villagers as the long-lost artifact is unveiled, its significance transcending material worth and promising a future of unity and pride. Unexpected allies emerge in the form of historians, extending an olive branch of collaboration to the villagers in preserving their shared heritage for the world to witness. A spirit of unity and mutual respect guides the villagers and outsiders as they labor together to forge a museum that honors their past and promises a future of prosperity. With hearts full of pride, the siblings continue the legacy of their village, sharing its rich history and culture with visitors who come from far and wide to bask in its enduring glory.